Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Webflow brand colors overrides in components, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Webflow brand colors overrides in your components, start by opening your Webflow project. Navigate to the designer view by clicking on the designer option in the upper left corner. Select the component you wish to modify. In the style panel on the right, look for the background color setting. If the component uses a brand color, you will see it indicated in the color picker. Click on the color swatch to open the color picker. You will notice an option for Use Brand Colors at the bottom of the color picker. Uncheck the Use Brand Colors option. Now, you can set a custom color for your component. Choose your desired color from the color picker or enter a specific hex code. After setting the color, ensure it meets your design requirements. Next, check if there are any other overrides present in the typography settings. Click on the typography section in the style panel. If the text color is also derived from brand colors, follow the same steps to disable it. Uncheck the Use Brand Colors option within the text color setting. Choose a custom text color that fits your design. Repeat these steps for any additional components that may use brand color overrides. Once you have disabled the brand colors for all necessary components, preview your changes. Ensure that the new colors are applied correctly throughout your project. Make sure to save your progress by clicking on the Save button. Finally, publish your site to see the changes live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.